Welcome to Beyond the Quantum Horizon, Distant Healing and the Scientific Landscape of Entangled Realities. Today, we'll explore the fascinating intersection of ancient healing practices and cutting-edge quantum mechanics. The concept of distant healing, an ancient practice rooted in holistic therapy, has recently permeated scientific discussions, igniting a dialogue between skepticism and the possibilities unveiled by quantum mechanics. This intricate interplay between healing and quantum entanglement beckons deeper exploration into the realms of mathematical equations, quantum theories, and consciousness. At the heart of our discussion is quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected, and the quantum state of each cannot be described independently of the state of the others. This entanglement is represented by the wave function, p, governed by the Schrödinger equation. In 1988, Cleve Backster discovered an intriguing phenomenon while experimenting with NASA astronaut Brian O'Leary. He observed that O'Leary's saliva cells connected to a polygraph exhibited stress responses correlating with stressful events experienced by O'Leary miles away. This Backster effect suggests that cells can perceive, record, and act upon thoughts, intentions, and emotions through a non-localized process, hinting at a mechanism for distant healing. Modern science has demonstrated that light can be coded to carry instructions. In distant healing, this could mean sending coded light with instructions to build, or decompose structures in a subject. For instance, if nutrient-building instructions are coded into a light source and shown through one particle A, the effects could be replicated in another particle B, using the body's existing materials. Physics is divided into classical and modern physics. Classical physics deals with phenomena at speeds much lower than the speed of light, while modern physics, including quantum physics and relativity, addresses phenomena occurring at or near light speed. Subatomic phenomena and quantum mechanics fall under modern physics, which explores energy formed from quanta and the relative nature of matter and energy. Non-locality, a consequence of entanglement, refers to the ability of objects to instantaneously know about each other's state, even when separated by large distances. This challenges the classical principle of locality, which posits that an object is influenced only by its immediate surroundings. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, anchors the speed of light as a cosmic speed limit, seemingly in contradiction to quantum entanglement's instantaneous effects. Quantum field theory, QFT, extends quantum mechanics to fields, proposing that particles are excited states of an underlying field. Fields, represented by operators, obey quantum mechanics principles. The Dirac equation for fermions suggests that thoughts and intentions might influence quantum fields, theoretically propagating changes through the universe's quantum fabric and affecting distant systems, forming a basis for distant healing. The role of consciousness in quantum phenomena is a hotbed of debate. The Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics posits that observation collapses the quantum wave function from a set of probabilities to a definite state. This raises the question, could the conscious intent of a healer influence health outcomes in a patient from afar? Quantum biology explores whether quantum phenomena are involved in biological processes like photosynthesis, olfactory perception, and avian navigation. The Hameroff-Penrose ORC-OR model suggests consciousness derives from quantum vibrations within microtubules. This field bridges quantum mechanics and biology, hinting at quantum effects in the brain. The convergence of healing practices with quantum mechanics heralds a new understanding. The entanglement of health, science, and spirituality calls for a holistic approach to healing, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things. Quantum entanglement suggests particles can affect each other instantaneously over distances, a phenomenon known as non-locality, potentially underpinning distance healing. Living beings emit electromagnetic fields contributing to a biofield surrounding the body. Skilled healers might influence this biofield, facilitating healing across distances. Some researchers hypothesize that consciousness extends beyond the physical body. If true, a healer's intention might propagate through this consciousness field, affecting distant individuals. Biologist Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance posits a collective memory influencing organisms and behavior. Healing intentions could tap into this non-local field, reinforcing distance healing. Mirror neurons respond to actions performed by others, playing a role in empathy. These neurons might also respond to emotions or sensations perceived during distance healing. This model suggests the body interacts with its environment through informational signals. Healers might send these signals through intention, affecting health across space and time. Masaru Emoto suggested that water can remember intentions, changing its structure. If true, a healer's intentions could impact a distant individual's health through the water in their body. Exploring distant healing through quantum entanglement stretches our understanding, potentially rewriting the scripts of healing, consciousness, and reality. It invites us to reimagine the cosmos as an intricately entangled whole, where intentions ripple across the quantum fabric, shaping our collective health and destiny. Thank you for joining us on this journey beyond the quantum horizon.
Now, imagine harnessing the power of quantum entanglement and vibrational healing in your own home. Introducing the QSB Wave, a revolutionary device that combines groundbreaking technologies to offer age reversal, genetic healing, and vibrational wellness. Experience benefits like DNA repair, emotional balance, and overall wellness with the solfeggio frequency of 528 Hz. Transform your healing journey with the QSB Wave. Visit Life Energy Solutions to learn more and purchase your QSB Wave today. Embrace the future of healing and start living a healthier, more vibrant life.